Hi, I'm Sandy Krebs, owner of the blog Modern Simplicity, and this is Simplify Declutter Your Chaos. Does your daughter have a lot of hair accessories? Things like this, barrettes, ponytail holders, and bows can be really easy to organize. But what do you do with this? I'm going to show you a DIY version of how you can organize your daughter's headbands. The best thing about this project is you can actually customize it towards your daughter and her personality, and you can do it with her. So we're going to make this today to organize headbands. Now you're going to start off with a container. The one I used for this one was actually a hot chocolate mix, but you can use any canister. You just want to make sure that the headbands actually fit on it. You don't want to pick something too skinny because the headbands just slide off, and that's really not very helpful. So once you have one of these, you're going to clean it out really good. A lot of these, the inside are cardboard, so don't get them too wet. Just make sure you get all the food out. You can even just use wipes for that. You're going to find fabric, or you can use contact paper or scrap paper. I used fabric because I wanted it to have a little bit more of an upscale look. And you're just going to cover it with the fabric, cut it to fit, and then you can also use a little bit of ribbon to trim around the edges like that. Now it works just fine like that, but if you want to give it an even more glamorous look, this is just a little candlestick that I got from the dollar store. You can get them in thrift stores, really easy. And you're going to just glue it on the bottom with a strong adhesive like this. And once the glue is all nice and dry and everything's ready to go, that's it, you're ready to load your headbands. Super simple to do. They fit perfectly right on top of it. So you can fit as many as you need. And the best part is now that you have all of this extra space, you can also take all of those little hair bows and barrettes and throw them right inside. And that would look lovely on any daughter's dresser.